Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to introduce Nexigo 15.6 inches big display portable monitor. Hope you are finding much information from my channel. You can buy this portable monitor on Amazon in just $248. We will provide you its SN number at the end of the video through which you can find this product on Amazon easily. All you need to search that SN number on Amazon and you will get access to your product directly. Please like, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more informative videos. So let me explain Nexigo 15.6 inches portable monitor having full HD 1080p 144Hz IPS computer display. In today's world, a single screen is just not enough. Whether you work from home or just want to enjoy all that computer can do, you need additional screen real estate. The Nexigo portable monitor was created with this one thing in mind, ending that old single screen way of life. Is your smartphone too small to enjoy a video? Do you get eye strain with your old monitor while gaming? Do you constantly have to switch from window to window, trying to perform acrobatic with your points and click to get the thing to do what you want? All of this hassle stems from a singular issue, a one-screen life. The Nexigo portable monitor was designed to work with more of the digital devices you already have and to do so all while providing a level of quality that will satisfy your demands both working and gaming. You can connect Nexigo monitor to your laptop, smartphone, Mac, PC, PlayStation, Xbox and Nintendo. Nearly any device with an HDMI or a USB Type-C output can be connected to. Wow, it has amazing features. Having 144Hz refresh rate. With 144Hz high refresh rate, the picture changes faster and smoother than usual monitors. Enjoy full HD 1080p picture with no image stuttering or tearing. Moreover, it is built in dual speakers. Built-in stereo speakers delivers clear audio for videos and music. Alternatively, you can connect your earphone via 3.5mm aux port for sound output. Moreover, it comes with extra large, amazing features like vivid color contrast, full HD 1080p IPS panel with backlight system delivers stunning color and sharp images. 300 brightness and eye protection technology reduce user eye strain. Furthermore, it is widely compatible with laptops, desktops, phones, PS3, 4, Xbox, Switch, Nintendo. You can easily extend or duplicate your 6 by HDMI Type-C connection. It has slim and sleek Equisist slim and portable pad design with a thickness of 4mm and weight of 1.61 pounds only. Aluminium alloy sheet with brushed surface and smart cover add elegance to the portable monitor. Also, you can extend your screen also. Extend mode connect the portable monitor to your desktop or laptop, or you can use it as a second monitor to extend your screen. The lightweight monitor is an ideal partner for easier office and work. It has wall charger, also a remote controller and foldable stand. You can stand it in any way you want. It is best for your gaming. It has game display. The portable monitor is perfect choice for playing PS3, PS3, Xbox One, WII and Nintendo Switch. Enjoy convenient big screen gaming experience with clear image and immersive sound. Its extend mode helps you to work efficiently. The stunning color and contrast portable monitor delivers superior images and high resolution and awesome color reproduction. Enjoy smooth gaming or video streaming in Nexeco portable monitor.